Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to the heart of my home. And we are in the midst of summertime. Blue skies, picnics, family and friends. What's your favourite finger food to take along on a picnic? Perhaps you'd like to try one of these. I'm going to introduce you to two of my favourite. One is the Aubergine Pate, a bit like baba ganoush if you like that kind of stuff. The second is an Indian-Italian bruschetta fusion of Bombay potatoes with that delicious tomatoey balsamic dressing. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And why not leave your comments below and let me know what's your picnic speciality. Let's get on with the recipes. So the ingredients we need for my grilled aubergine pate are an aubergine. Now I have grilled this until it's soft and tender on the inside, and we're going to peel the skin back and I'll show you how to put the ingredients together. I've got some petit pois peas. These are optional, but I love the combination of aubergine and peas. I have some tamarind here. We spoke about this earlier in a previous recipe, link above. And I've just soaked this in a bit of water to allow it to marinate and release the juices. We've got some sweet onions. I've got some fresh tomatoes, plum tomatoes, generous helping of garlic, coriander. The spices I'm going to be using are, we've got coriander, mustard seeds, cumin. I've got some powdered garam masala here. I'm also going to be using some jaggery just to offset the tamarind. In addition, I've got good old turmeric, curry leaves and some rock salt. Lastly, I have this wonderful amchur powder or mango powder. It's dried mango. It's got this really lovely kick to it. Right, let me show you how to combine these ingredients for the grilled aubergine pate. So the ingredients for the Indie Italian fusion bruschetta are tomatoes. And I have a variety of tomatoes here, sweet, so the small tomatoes on the vine. Go for whichever variety you prefer. I've also got some garden herbs, so oregano, some lemon, garlic, a little bit of honey. I've got some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar. I've got some dried Italian herbs and just some toasted pieces of sourdough bread, but please feel free to use any bread of your choice. And lastly, I have the Bombay potatoes, which you may have seen in a previous recipe. Link is above. Right, let's get on with putting the ingredients together.
Well folks, summer is here and you're looking for your favourite picnic snacks or two of your favourite picnic snacks to add to your picnic basket. Here they are. The first one is the aubergine, which looks amazing, really. Let's give it a try. Now that is amazing. You want to make this recipe? It's fantastic. Now, got one more here as well, which is a bit of a shock for the books. A Bombay potato with tomato and balsamic. Combination, could it work, folks? You know what? I'm here to taste it for you, to see what it's like. Let's get in there. Wow, that is a excitement for my mouth. It feels great, it tastes great. This is going into my picnic basket. This is going to impress everybody out there. You can't go wrong. Until next time, enjoy the Bombay Potato Fusion and the Aubergine. It's a sensation.
Which one's your favourite?
It's a good question, G. I don't have a clear favourite at the moment. Let me check the other one. No clear favourite on that. They're very different in texture, right?
Yeah, they are.
One, they're like the tomatoey one's got the spices of the tomato in there. And so you've got a little bit more sparkle to it. But the aubergine, it's underneath the surface.
Yeah.
It gets underneath your skin.
Yeah, it does.
It sort of creeps up behind you and says, hello, I'm the aubergine snack. You like me more. And I think that's what the aubergine one gives you. It gives you like, it's like a Moorish thing. I think you could eat more of these than what you could of these. If it was a battle between the two, it'd be tough to call. But I think they're both impressive. But I like the aubergine one because it's got aubergines in it. And it's got peas and all these other little magical things in there as well. Yeah, I like it. A lot. There you go. Todd the Taste Tester, bringing you the hits.